You and your family are about to embark on an amazing adventure, leaving the safety and security of your own homes for the wilds of the dinosaur digging out west. Digging for bones is a fun and wondrous activity, but conditions are extreme and can be dangerous. Knowing what not to do will ensure a successful dig and make sure that your family all returns in one piece. Hey, you there. Yes, that's right, you. You look like a smart young lad. Are you here looking for dinosaur bones? Well, that's great. Finding dinosaur bones is a lot of fun, but you must always remember to be careful in the Badlands. The Badlands can be a dangerous place if you're not careful. You wouldn't want to get hurt, would you? You don't want to die, do you? Well, that's good. If you stick with your guide and follow these very simple safety tips, you won't. Are you ready to learn some important safety tips? Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go! One of the first rules of dinosaur digging is to stick together as a group. It's very easy to get lost in the Badlands, and we wouldn't want to lose any of you. Here we see Mr. Steven. Steven's having a great time. Unfortunately, he is not being supervised by his parents, and is, well, completely lost all control. Not a good idea, Mr. Steven. Watch out for that cliff! Oh no. Mr. Steven seems to have fallen off a cliff. Not a good idea. Out in the Badlands, it can get very hot. I mean, really, really hot. And you're probably going to want to make sure that you drink plenty of water while you're out there. Otherwise, dehydration can set in, as well as heat stroke, and eventually heat death. So, please make sure you drink plenty of water. Here we see Mr. Steven. Mr. Steven is not drinking any water. Mr. Steven, are you sure you don't want any more water? Are you really sure you don't want any more water? Oh no, Mr. Steven appears to have succumbed to the heat. Poor, poor Mr. Steven. One issue we deal with every summer is severe weather. Thunderstorms packed with torrential rains, damaging winds, dangerous hail, and deadly lightning can creep up unexpectedly. If thunderstorms do begin while you're on site, please follow your guide's instructions and return to the safety of the trucks immediately. Don't linger about and wait until the last minute. William, we said return to the trucks. Don't wander off fossil hunting. Well, if you get caught out in the open, you could always try to duck and cover. Oh no, he didn't duck and cover fast enough. Sorry, William. Oh my, it appears William has survived the lightning strike, but has accidentally slipped down the muddy slope and broken his leg. So sad. Remember, the nearest hospital is over 2 hours away, so make sure you follow your guide's advice ASAP. Bet you'll never do that again, you silly William. There are a great deal of fossils out in the Badlands. For the safety of these precious and priceless fossils, please, please, watch your step, and be very, very patient when excavating. These specimens did not wait 65 million years for you to come along and mess them up in 2 seconds. Oh, look, a giant T-Rex tooth. And what is that? An ammonite? How did that get there? That would be important for science. Oh, no. Now it's broken. Another thing you should never do is throw tools or rocks. When removing rock, please screen all of your debris to make sure that you didn't miss anything. It is very easy to miss those very important microfossils. William, what are you doing? William, please stop that. You're going to hurt someone. Oh, look out. Oh no, you have conked your guide in the head, and he is now unconscious. I hope you remember how to drive out of here. One of the biggest threats while exploring for dinosaurs is, of course, snakes. There are many species of snake in the Badlands, and all of them can give you a nasty nip. Only one, though, is poisonous, the dreaded prairie rattlesnake. If you see or hear a rattlesnake, first freeze, then back away slowly, and then let your guide know. Never ever play with any snake. Stephen, remember our snake talk? Oh no, Stephen has played with a snake, and it has attached itself to the tip of his nose. Try duck and cover, Stephen. Ouch, that's going to leave a mark. That's almost too funny. Sad, but too funny. Parental supervision is, of course, required at all times. Your guide is not a babysitter, despite how he or she may look. This is for your safety as well as the guide's. Please make sure that you work closely with your children, help them on the excavation, and make sure that they do not wander off. Remember, this was supposed to be a fun family time working together. Here we see two children who have wandered off unsupervised. They appear to be arguing, babbling about, not digging, or having fun. Since they were away from their guide, they did not hear the kaiju alert warning. Oh no! There is a giant kaiju attacking them. This can't be good. Run, little mammals! Scurry into a hole or something! Remember your heritage! Oh dear. Poor children. Another very important rule is to never, ever, never pull a fossil out of this quarry wall without first consulting your guide. Dinosaur bones are often very fragile, and unless stabilized with glues, they may shatter to dust if removed improperly. It is also monumentally important to map and document every discovery. We are here for science, after all. And these bones did not survive for millions of years for you to mess them up in 10 seconds. Stephen, what are you doing? I'm sure that's not the way your guide taught you. Stop that. Please stop that. Stephen, please stop stabbing at the earth. Stop stabbing at the earth. Stephen! Stephen, get back here! I will build you a cage. Oh boy. Moving on. Finally, always remember to be careful when using any of the adhesives or preservatives that we use to protect the fragile bones. Superglue is dangerous stuff. You do not want to get it in your eyes or on your fingers. It cures quickly and can stick you to just about anything. Oh no. Miss Heather appears to have placed a glue bottle behind her and accidentally rolled over it. She is now stuck to the outcrop. This can't be good. Oh no. Things are worse now. Heather's struggling seems to have attracted a large snake, and it now approaches for an easy meal. Freeze, Heather! Freeze! Oh no, Miss Heather. So, young man, did you learn what not to do on a dinosaur dig site? Not so scary now, is it? Well, as long as you follow all these guidelines, I'm sure we'll all have a safe, fun, family-friendly good time. Now, where did I put my Kaiju Alert application on this phone? Anyway, we'll see you next time.
How do I
Son, or look crazier. Nice. That's totally crazy. I love it. Don't do that. Okay, now jump up and down. Oh my God, you broke things. Nice. Okay, action.
Hold on. Stop. You gotta talk to me.
Do I
Pretend you're talking to me.
Okay, pretend.
And then look to your left. Or towards there.
Yeah.
And then point and then point and then we run.
Okay.
Okay?
Well, all right then. What are we waiting for? Come on!
Alright, I give you $50.
All right.
Alright, no, give me the money.
No, that's good. Hello, Mr. Steven. It looks like there's lightning in the forecast. What do we do when there's lightning in the forecast? My hand got in the way. Action.